Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about cash market versus Bank Nifty and Nifty. So most of the people are not aware like what are the merits and demerits of cash market and Bank Nifty and Nifty. So I am going to explain all those things today. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon for the upcoming videos. If anyone interested to open account with Angel Booking applications, you can click on the link I have mentioned here. The same link I have mentioned in the description as well. So you can click on the link and you can open the account. For any clarifications, you can contact me. Also, I have started a YouTube channel to help the beginners. So anyone interested to watch all the videos related to market, you can visit Libin AJ and you can see all the videos I uploaded here. You can see all the videos related to market. So it will be very useful for the beginners to understand how market is functioning. So whenever you are entering to a market, you should know like each and everything of market. So without knowledge, don't start trading. So kindly watch all my videos and understand like what are the basics of share market. On the same way, I have started a WhatsApp group also to help the beginners. If anyone interested to see like what are the things you have to share, you have to trade on a daily basis, or where you have to invest on a daily basis. So I'll be providing you some suggestions on that. Like you can see like what are the suggestions I have given and what are the profit on that. So only I'll be providing on like equity market, only the cash market. So you can join to this group and you can start earning money also. So this group is absolutely free. So the link I have given in the description. So you can go to the description and you can join the link. Also, I have given the link in the comment box also. You can go visit either my description or the comment box. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today we are going to discuss about what is cash market and what is bank nifty and what is nifty and what are the merits and demerits of cash market. So when as a beginner I suggest you to go to cash market instead of going to bank nifty and nifty. If you are a beginner, the advantage of cash market is there. You can see the cash market, it comes under all the company shares, like all the reputed companies will be coming there. All the shares like you can see Axis Bank or like HDFC Bank, all the company shares, all the companies listed in exchange, we can trade in cash market. So it will be the advantage of that there is no expiry. So when you can see like cash market, you can see there is no expiry date or nothing else is mentioned. But when you are going with the bank nifty or nifty, there will be like monthly expiry and there will be weekly expiry. So if you are buying on a shares, so like you have to like every weekly you have to sell or every monthly you have to sell. You cannot hold more than that. But when you are going with a cash market, if you are buying in a delivery, you can keep your lifelong also. So there is no issues. If you are getting loss or profit, so you can get like maximum profit also. Like if you are buying an Axis Bank share now, for example, right now the share value. Sorry, you can take as Titan share. So Titan share you can see here almost 1000, almost 971, almost 971. So if you are buying Titan shares right now in delivery, you can keep the shares if it is going to 1500 or 2000, 3000, whatever may be. If it is going loss also, if it is going profit also, you are buying with your money. So the advantage is that you can keep for a long time. But if you are going with bank nifty or nifty, there is an expiry. You cannot hold more than the expiry. So for example, you can see here bank nifty is 20th June. So if you are buying this as this bank nifty, you can hold only till 20th June. So after that you have to sell on, either you have to sell, or if you are not selling, the company will sell. So that is the problem. So as a beginner, if you are starting in intraday, you have to start with cash. So cash market is best thing actually. So like if you are taking an intraday, like normally what will happen in bank nifty or nifty, normally you can see today was an expiry. So if you want to see the expiry date, just go here, you can click on option chain. So here you can see like option day, see some of them are 2, 3, 0. Even whenever the like last Thursday of every week is expiry. So it is a weekly expiry. So the prices will be started coming down. So that is the problem. Like if you are buying like the bank nifty for 20,000 and currently it is 19,000. If 20,000 is not coming within that time period, your value will be going down. But whereas in the cash market, it won't happen. See here you can see like in the same way put also is coming down to 0. Same thing will happen in nifty also. If you are trading in nifty, same thing you can see like in nifty also. I'll show you like same thing. Just search here nifty. then you can add to watch list. Here also you can see the PEs, or see the PEs, like because today was an expiry. So all the PEs you can see like 1050 PE is 0. So if you would have buying like maybe last week, like it was around 50 rupees, now it is 0. So just imagine you are getting a loss. Whereas if you are buying in a cash market, you can see the cash market here. The cash market, the chances of loss is very less. See, if you are buying Titan shares, you can keep a stop loss, and loss will be limited today only. If you are buying an intraday, you can keep a stop loss. If you are going with a delivery or a margin, so based on your risk you have to manage. So only the major advantage is there is no expiry, or suddenly like okay today like it's a flat market. So yeah, if you are trading in Bank Nifty or Nifty, you have to be worried because the premium will be coming down. If you just imagine today's Bank Nifty is 20,000, so the next 5 days is also 20,000. So you have taken maybe 20,500. So that 500 may be 100 rupees value. So that 100 value has to come down to 0 because there is no other option. But if you are buying in a stock market, in a cash market, if you are buying for Titan or any other companies, if you are buying for 1000 rupees, that 1000 rupees, if it is a flat market for 5 days also, it will not affect you. So that is the major problem. With the 1000 rupees will remain as 1000 rupees, and even next day if you sell also there is no loss. But in Bank Nifty and Nifty, it is like it is completely different. So always you have to keep, as a beginner you should know like okay where I have to invest, or what are the shares I have to invest. So you have to select like based on like what are the shares I have to invest. So always you have to read like read the things like which are the shares are performing well. So based on that you can decide okay whether I have to invest in cash market or in Bank Nifty or Nifty. Only the demerit of cash market is there, you need more money. Okay, so always you have to think like if you have 10,000 rupees, you cannot buy too many shares actually. So that is the demerit of cash market. But as according to me, that is a good thing. See, if you have 10,000 rupees, you can make more than 500 to 1,000 rupees per day. So that is a good thing. Like you can make 5% on your capital. So that is one of the always you have to respect the money. Okay, you should know like what is the value of money. See, for example, if you are trading in Bank Nifty with 10,000, you are buying 20 lot or 30 lot. So that money is not like, you should think about like if a common person is working, the mains how much salary you will get. So based on that, if you work in a cash market, it is very useful. You can make a huge money, you can make a huge profit. Only thing is that you should have proper ideas, and you should limit your risk also. So based on that risk, you can make a good profit. In the same way, if you are going with any cash market shares, so it will be like you have a lot of advantage of that. So whenever you are trading, only thing is that there is no problem with margin. So the price of the shares won't be coming immediately to 0. So it will be like the base price will be there. You can see like any of the shares or like any of the company shares are 0. So there will be some values. If you are going with the reputed companies, the shares value won't come to 0. So I think this topic is very clear. So as a beginner, I suggest you go with cash market instead of going to Bank Nifty and losing money. So if you want to regular income, go with cash market and earn regular income. Also, you can visit my channel, WhatsApp group also for the suggestions. So you will be getting like a lot of suggestions, and on videos, all those things I will be sharing on the channels. So same way you can visit my YouTube channel also, and the YouTube channel I have uploaded almost all the videos related to share market. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn about market. If you need any clarification, you can message me, or you can comment me, or you can WhatsApp me also. I have given all the contact number there, so you can directly contact me. So all the information I will be responding to your comments, all those things. So in the same way, you can open account also with angel broking applications. You can open the account with angel broking applications, and for any clarification required, you can directly contact me. So I'll be helping you out if you have any queries regarding opening account, or if you have any issues with angel broking applications. So all those things I can sort it out. If you are opening account under me, I can help you out. Like if you have any issues, or like what are the shares you have to purchase. So all those recommendations I can provide you. So hope this topic is very clear, and kindly subscribe my channel. Also you can share to your friends, kindly enable the bell icon also, so that if I upload any new videos, you'll be getting the notification immediately. So thanks for watching.